Good morning, people. Say good morning.
You got your camera.
Yeah, I've got my camera. It's my bag. I thought I forgot about it.
I thought you didn't bring it.
Yeah, I thought so. But I found it in my bag. Sabi ko, nafugat ko yung camera ko. Hinanap ko sa bag. Nasa bag pala. Anyway, guys, ballet day. Today's Saturday. So, ballet ni Mia today. Are you excited, ate? Yeah, okay. So, naiwan si Kai sa bahay kasi nandun naman yung sister ko. And she's happy to look after Kai. Pinatulog ko muna si Kai before we leave kasi tamang-tama nung gising ako ng 8, nagpump ako, pinadede ko siya. Gising siya, guys. Nagising after ng dede. Tapos, ngayon, nag-roll over everywhere sa bed. Hanggang na pagod. Natulog na ulit. Miantok na siya ulit. So, ayun.
You know what? When we were eating the chocolate, you only saved 2 for me. I didn't eat enough.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna get more in the shop because we're going to the shop today.
When we go to Kmart, you better buy some more.
That's from Kohl's, not from Kmart.
But we can find some from Kmart.
No, there is no in Kmart, I believe.
There's no food.
Yeah. Yung caramel na Arnott's, sabi niya save some for her. I saved some, but only 2. So sabi niya hindi daw enough yun. So sabi ko, I'll get more. Nubos ko, guys. Di ko alam, this pregnancy, after pregnancy, mahilig ako sa matamis. Matamis yung gusto kong kinakain. Nalaman kong pregnant ako kay Kai nung nag-crave ako ng mga matatamis. Sabi ko, this is not myself. Because hindi ako masyado mahilig sa matatamis like chocolates. Ganun pa. Minsan-minsan kumakain ako ba, like, I don't crave for it. Kung meron lang sa bahay, dun ako like kumakain. But I never crave for any chocolates like that.
When you're still grandma, then you still vlog.
When I'm a grandma, I'm still gonna vlog.
Yeah. Because you still vlog when you're still broke.
Yeah. I will try to vlog until I become a grandma.
Yeah, you're still vlog.
That's gonna be a long years to go.
You have to exercise when you're a grandma.
I have to exercise?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know what? After you exercise,
Mm-hmm.
your arms will be good and your hands.
My arms will be good.
Feel like adult hands and your
I'll-
body is as grandma and your face is as like grandma and then
My face, just grandma, but my muscles, but I still have muscles and everything.
yeah, because you still exercise when you're a grandma and then you can still hold the camera and you can still talk and vlog. You can just talk like a grandma.
So funny, ate. So, parang sabi ko, bakit gusto ko yung chocolates ngayon. So, nagtataka ako. That's when I did the PT. And it turned out na, yeah, pregnant pala ako. And until now, yun pa din ang gusto ko, guys. Like, lagi akong nag-crave ng mga chocolates. Good luck sa ating weight. We're here. Let's go, ate. Come. Go, mommy. What does it say? When I received si Mia Excellence Award. Yeah, Mia did amazing today. She did nice long lips and a great pom-pom dance. Well done, Mia. Miss Talia. That's Miss Talia.
Talia?
Yeah. Talia's your teacher.
She was there?
Yeah, the one who gave you this is Miss Talia.
No, it's not Talia. It's Miss Talia.
Oh, Talia. Mali man si Mami
Miss
Talia.
Talia.
Miss Talia, yeah. Okay, go. Go na.
Yeah,
Sit
because
down.
I know her name, but it's not the same name as Talia because it's only Talia
Only
in my
Talia.
gymnastics.
Oh, okay. You've got Talia in your gymnastics too.
Yeah, but it's not the same name because she has Miss on it.
Okay, go na, dali. We're going to Kmart,
Can I
guys.
open it now?
No, it's just a card. There's nothing to open. We're going to Kmart. Hurry up, dali, dali.
I have
Sit
to
down.
hold it.
Yeah, sit down. Put your seatbelt. Ate, come on. Put your seatbelt. We're going. Hurry up. I have to count to 1 to 5, and if you haven't, you can stay here. 1,
No, count to 10.
2.
Count to 10.
Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay na?
Done.
10.
Hold on.
Very good. Punta tayo Kmart. May bibilhin ako, guys.
Mommy, why is there always only a car?
It's 10:37 now. Yung pinsan niya din nagluluto na naman, guys. Pag nasa bahay siya, siya yung nagluluto. Sa ngayon, pag wala si V.
That's a car.
So, may
Ay,
pinabibili
why
siya
is
sa
that a
Coles.
car?
Mamaya punta tayo Coles din. What
Mommy,
is
why
it?
is this just a car?
It's just a card because you did a great job. So they give you a card with a message on it. Well done, ate. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. See, because you're being good, you dance well. You have a reward. That's amazing. Miss Talia said you did amazing. Oh no, why did I go here? You should have. Sa Kmart tayo pupunta, dahil. Sige, punta tayo muna, best and this. But sabi ko, Kmart lang tayo pupunta.
Is this Kmart?
That's okay.
Mommy, is this
You
Kmart?
have to be quick, okay?
Mommy,
I want
is
to be really, really quick
Mommy,
lang.
is this Kmart?
This actually is going to... Yeah, there's Kmart inside. But, yeah, we're gonna stop in Best and Less. We just need to look at something and then we go to Kmart straight away.
If Kmart doesn't have the thing we need, we can go to the real Kmart. Because that's a fake Kmart.
There's no real and fake Kmart there.
It's the fake one. Because that's
Alright, let's go! Dito kami sa Best and Less.
Oh, this one was cute.
That's a flower, ate.
It's for girls?
Yeah, that's for girls. Ito, try natin to. That's cute. Here, ate. How about this? How about this for little Kai? Or a jacket? Six months. 3 to 6 months. Yeah, there's baby clothes.
What's only baby clothes? Hey, why is there a lot of baby clothes?
So cute.
We have these.
Oh wow, may nakuha na siya. Oh.
These have these heels.
You look for size 9. That's size 12.
Can I see?
Look for size 9, ate.
Huh?
Size 9.
Size
Yeah, can you see? Hey, put it back.
Size 9?
Can you see? No, that's 8 on top. Yeah. Oh, pumipili na siya. That's 12. See, that's 12. You have to look for size 8 or 9.
I already looked for size 8. You said size 8 or 9.
Yeah, but that's 12. That doesn't fit you. Diba? Siya na din pumipili sa sarili niya. Oh, how was it? Good? That's too big. Too big on you, ate. Nako. Gustong gusto niya yung may heels ngayon. Oh, tingnan niyo. Ay. Did you find the size for you?
Big. Blue.
No, they don't. Gustong gusto niya yung sandal, kaya lang hindi kasha. What's this? Eto, this one, size 9. Try this. Ate, the only size 9 here. My love. My love. Dali na, we're in a hurry. Try this, dali. This is size 9. Try this. Mia, what are you doing? Okay, we're going then.
Go.
Try that. What's this one? Oh my god, this is hard to put on. See, you have to take off this. Are you sure what are you gonna wear this with? Dress?
Yeah. I can wear it in school.
Oh, you're not allowed to wear this at school.
Why?
Because you need to wear your beach shoes.
Why?
Okay, put this on.
Because what can I have a race and on your phone?
So you need to wear the school shoes, not this one. This one is only when you go out.
I can wear this one when
Can you stand up, please?
we walk Kai Kai.
Me.
When we walk with Kai.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You want that? Are you sure? It's not ouchy?
No.
Still fits?
Good.
Okay. Fits still? Alright, I need to hold it. Can you hold it for me? Can you hold it? Hold it, Mommy's holding it. Well, this pink one's really nice too, but there's no more.
Just one.
Yeah, it matches all your dress because you got pink dresses, right?
Yeah, I like it, but it's too big.
Too big, I know. Oh, here, on the there's more. How about this? You wanna try this? They have size 9. Ate, here. Ate, can you try this? Are you gonna try this or not? So which one do you like? That one or this one? Hurry up, Tita Pig is waiting.
I like this one too. I like that one too. I like
Choose
two.
one. Wow. The other one.
Well, I want to have this too so I can look pretty. So Ryder loves me.
Excuse me? This one will match your clothes, your dress.
I want two of it so I can wear it to school.
Can you walk?
Ryder will love me.
Can you walk? No, you're not allowed to wear that to school. Can you walk? Oh, that's so pretty. Tingnan mo siya. May hat pa. So, which one do you want? May hat pa talaga. Pinakuha yung hat. Cute na mga shoes nila dito.
Here.
Oh, which one?
These ones.
So, just the pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
These one too.
Nope. Only one.
Okay, I'll choose these.
That's pretty?
These?
Yeah.
I'll choose these.
Okay.
Can I please wear it?
You wanna wear it now? Oh my gosh.
So when Ryder's here, I can?
Ayaw ko sa'yo, ate. Diba? May nakita na siya. Gusto niya nang suotin. We have to pay for that in the counter. And take off this. What is this for?
It's
Back in the car. Napakainit sa car, guys. Sobrang init naman talaga. Alright. Punta kami ng Starbucks. Bibili tayo ng drinks na uhaw ako. So, good thing, kaka-open lang ng Starbucks malapit dito sa amin. So, it's so good. I know it's hot. You have your seatbelt? Put your seatbelt, please. Starbucks Ellen Brew. So, first time ko pumunta dito sa Starbucks kasi kaka-open lang nila. And, meron na tatlong Starbucks yung burn. Lagi daw busy itong Starbucks mo. Kasi kaka-open lang nila. So, they're always busy. But sana, they're not busy ngayon kasi nagmamadali na kami umuwi. Nagmamadali na akong umuwi. Let's go inside, my love. That's so. Yes, that's so. We have our drink, guys. Ayan. So, pumasok lang kami ni Mia. Hindi kami nag-drive-thru kasi para mabilis.
Can you give me some in my
So, I have the strawberry foam. Sarap siya. Okay lang. Ayaw ko kasi uminom ng coffee, so I've got refresher instead. Next time, mag-coffee tayo. Frappuccino daw. In-orderan ko yung pinsan ni ng frappuccino. Alright. Let's go home, guys. Oh my gosh, it's 12 na. Hindi ko alam kung tulog o gising si Kai kasi yung kapatid ko kanina ko pa message but she's not answering. She's not replying, guys. So, baka tulog silang dalawa. 12:30 na, Mia. Oh my gosh, it's late. Ito na yung binili natin, guys. Ako, this croissant, this extra ice chalk donut. Naka-sale kasi to. Cucumber and tomato and the drinks. Fanta and then yung naka-sale na Pepsi ba yun? Tamis? Can I try? No, it's not sweet.
No, it's too sweet for me. I don't know. I like it because it's sour, but like that may
Yeah, I like it.
Taste.
Ganito yung look niya. I put strawberry foam.
I'm just gonna put the.
Dalawa pala yung pinapabili niya, but I thought it's the same thing. May pinabibili sang matcha. I like the foam. Nagluluto si Tri ng... Is that the chicken? Yeah, chicken.
Yeah, three is cooking.
Tapos, this is the sauce.
Sauce na.
Yeah. Vietnamese chicken.
Very
This is
picky.
yours,
Kung
Tri.
ada-
The
yung mga-
frappuccino.
Oh, okay.
I hope you like it. Because I don't know, I haven't tried this one.
Yeah.
It's-
I actually never tried.
I'm also interested with the.
The-
I never
sorry.
drink Starbucks.
It's
have-
caramel coffee frappuccino.
They also have the brown sugar espresso.
Oh, yeah, they have.
I kind of want to try that.
Is that good?
I said I kind of.
I wanna try. Kai Kai, I miss you, my love. Kai Kai, I miss you, my love, love. gosh. Your sleeves are so wet, boy. What happened? Oh my gosh, you're biting your sleeves. Hala, yung sleeves so basa-basa na, be. Mommy! Basa-basa na yung sleeves niya, ha? Your sleeves are so wet. What happened? My gosh. Si Mia, nagtangis-tangis pa sa business. Kaya gusto niya magpabahal sang toy. Gusto niya ni.
Wow!
Wala mo gisuk-suk yan na agad, Bi.
Oh, you know the, Joy? The curtains have,
Palubat na kayo, guys.
Look, it's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
This one's very cute.
It's not my style kasi. Yes. Ito yung sa Kmart muna. So, dito ko ilalagay yung milk ko. Ayan. Milk. Saan nakasya to sa fridge ko sa taas? Baya. We have this. And ito yung matagal ko nang hinihintay na bilhin. Yung wrap dispenser para sa cling wrap. And finally, meron na sila, guys. Kasi lagi silang out of stock nito. So, lagay ko yung cling wrap dyan mamaya. Tadan! A jug. Pag nagtiti sila kasi, nilalagay nila yung ginagamit kasi namin, yung maliliit na tea bag. Tea bag. So, maliliit siya na binuboil mo na tea from, Vietnam. So, pag binuboil mo siya, tapos i-transfer mo siya dito, meron siyang parang ganito. Ayan, para hindi mag-drain yung maliliit na tea. Ano tawag dun? Sa tea na yun? Yung maliliit ba? Basta. Yan. So, maganda to. Pang tea. I got this. Kasi minsan nagdadala ako ng drink sa taas. So, gagamitin ko yan para may handle. And ito yung mga binili ko sa Best and Less. Ayan, mga damit, guys. May mga naka-sale kasi doon na damit for Kai. So, I got some. Ito kay Mia. Ang cute na to, oh. Ganyan. Those shoes. And yung shoes niya na, suot niya na kanina. We have this for Kai Kai. Kasi lumalamig. Ito, terno natin to. Ayan, sa kanya. Parang ang liit. Pero 6 to 12 months na yung binili ko. Ay, nagsistretch naman pala siya. Ayan, oh. Oy! This one. Ito, naka-sale to for Kai. Ano na lang to? 8 na lang to. Yeah, $8 na lang to. Naka-sale yan. And this one. Ito, masusuot niya to ngayon kasi medyo mainit pa. And minsan, kailangan niya din kasi suotin pag natutulog siya kasi naka-sleeping bag siya. Ito naman kay Ate Mia. May mga gusto akong print doon but wala na silang size ni Mia. So, ito na lang. Nakaset to, guys. Ayan. Ang cute ng mga set nila. Pero yung gusto ko doon wala ng kay Mia. Size. Ubus na. Ito ang cute nito. Hindi to pair, pero binili ko lang yung pair. Ayan. And this is the top. Cute to i-pair dun sa sandal na binili niya na pink na suot niya kanina. And gusto niya ng hat. So, tingnan nyo naman. Napabili tayo ng hat. No, your gymnastics always every Monday.
Oh, where are you gonna go then?
Ito pa pala yung tinapay na ano. Ha? Ha? Yung paborito kong apricot crown sa Coles na Danish. Mas gusto ko yung vanilla nito pero lagi sila out of stock. Look at our lunch. Cooked by Tree. Yeah, Chef Tree. Look at these guys. Ah, did you make a soup too? Oh my god. Look at that. That's our lunch. My favorite chicken. Mia, where are you now? You wanna eat now? Come. Dali, before Kai wakes up. Who farted? Oh my goodness, Kai. Gising ng aking mga Junakis, guys. Kakagising lang ni Kai. Tapos, sunod si Mia. Ayan, gising na. Ayan, nabalik na sa kulitan. In fairness to kay 3 hours sleep siya, guys. Pero pag gising-gising lang ba, as soon as I put him back to sleep, natutulog naman siya agad. So, hanggang 3 hours yung tulog niya. Alam niyo anong oras na, guys? It's now 7. And ngayon lang talaga siya nagising kasi pinadede ko na. Kasi nagising siya, tapos pinadede ko na hindi na ulit natulog ba. Ayan, roller nga naman siya. Kai is on the roll. Okay, so I'm gonna bath Kai now. Kasi kakadidi niya lang din. Para fresh na siya. And yes. Ano, Kai na natulog din ako kanina. Nagnap din ako kasabay kay Kai. Tapos itong isa. Tapos itong isa na sunod man. Natulog man siya, guys, ng mga around 5 na yun. So, naka 2 hours sleep din yung ating ate Mia. So, nakatulog silang dalawa. Kakapump ko lang din. So, very good, very good, very good. So, paliguan ko na itong ating dudong. Oh, bless you. Tingnan nyo man, guys. Tapos na ito maligo. Namumula na naman ang mukha after maligo. Hindi ko lang bakit. Siguro sa water. Baya, lagi siyang namumula pag after niya maligo. Namumula yung face niya. So, nilalagay ko sa face niya is yung UV cream. And nawawala naman, guys. Hey! Nakamot mo din yung itsura mo, oh. Meron ka na namang ano dyan. Scratch. Kung ano-ano nang pinaglalagay niya sa mouth niya. Yung bib, yung hands. Lagi talaga yung fingers nasa mouth. No kayo, no? So, I got him this one. Yung banana. Ate Mia, natulog man ulit, guys. Tignan nyo. After maligo ni Kai, tulog man siya. Sabi niya maliligo siya after ni Kai. Wala na. Natulog man ulit. Tulog man ulit si ate. Tulog man ulit si ate natin. Hindi pa nakatawag si daddy since morning. No, hindi ka nakatawag si daddy. Ha? Nasaan man ang daddy natin, ha? Busy ang daddy natin ngayon. Hindi nakatawag si daddy natin. Ha? Ayaw niya na nito. You don't want this? You don't want that? You don't want that? Okay, pagod na ikaw. Ano niyan? Kanina pa siya ganyan ng ganyan. Hey, let's go down. Mommy has a parcel. Let's go down. We haven't opened it. Kahapon pa yung dumating. Yeah, let's go down, boy. Oh, busog na busog ako sa lunch namin, so busog pa din ako hanggang ngayon. Alright, mommy will pick you up. Sino man ang gising? Kanina pa siya gising. 26 minutes ago siya nagising, guys. Natulog lang siya ng 27 minutes. Kasi, I don't know, bumaba lang naman ako para kunin yung milk na nilagay ko sa fridge. Tapos, timing man, umiyak agad. Nawala lang ako. Tapos, pinadede ko na kasi it's been like mag 4 hours nang hindi siya nakadede. So, pinadede ko na and ayun, gising. Nagising! Na. So, ngayon, ito lang ginagawa ng Kai ko. Yan, nood ako ng vlog na Ate Reyes. Nanonood din siya, guys. Kagat-kagat ang kanyang banana. Kagat-kagat ang banana. Ang daming laway. Pinalitan ko na din siya kasi lumalamig sa kwarto. Lumalamig man sa ating room na. Kai lang. Kai lang. Naka-sleeveless ka di kanina. Naka-sleeveless man yun. Nakasando. Naka-ramper siya. So, malamig. Malamig yung isa niyang arm. Kasi nga nakasando siya. Kasi naka-open yung isang arm. Tapos yung isa naka-close. So, kasi parang hindi pa siya sanay na naka-out yung kamay niya. So, isang arm lang muna para masanay. So, yeah. We're getting there, Kai. Na-notice ko pag dalawang kamay agad, ang hirap niya patulugin. Or baka kasi sleep regression din, guys. Like 4 months sleep regression siguro to talaga. It's now 10:25 ng gabi. Mabuti na lang nakaligo na si mommy and everything. I just need to put the kids to bed. Pero si Mia nakatulog. Na oras na gising. So, hindi pa matutulog yun, guys. Hey! Tomorrow is Mother's Day, guys! Happy Mother's Day, everyone!
No? Happy Mother's Day lang! Ano ginagawa? Ano man hindi masaya? Ha? Bakit hindi masaya? Ah, nakatingin sa camera? Nakatingin? Sino yan? Ha? Sino yan, Kai? Where's your head? Marunong na kumuha ng dami. Marunong na din mag-ano ng bottles. Umalis ng bottles. Pag ayaw niya na, ginaganon niya yung bottles. Kinukuha niya sa bibig niya. Magaling na magaling na magaling na ang dudong ko. Ha? Sige na. Sige na, sige na, sige na. Paliit na to, guys. Oh my gosh, kakabili ko lang nito. Pero hindi ko kasi alam yung weight. Tingnan nyo, ganito kalaki yung medium. Sana ni-large ko na. Medium size to eh. Kasi yung medium yan na isa, yung iba yung rating. Dog rating niya is 1 point. Ito kasi 1 point din naman to. But, 1.2? Ano ba? Ano to rating nito kay? Patingin kay. Basta mild weather daw siya. Medium size. Kakaloka. Yung isa mahaba pa yun eh. Medium size din yun. Pero ito, malapit nang sumikip. O baka talaga. Okay. Okay. O baka ano lang, lumaki ka lang, no? Sige. Tulog na, Kai. Tulog na. Oh, I love you. I love you.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in